What's up guys, just got to LES with Boofy Scoots. Sick park, not too many people here right now. Just gonna warm up a little bit, then yeah, see what happens. Oh man. Alright, me and Boof are about to do back-to-back bar over this little gap. Let's get it. Do you go to the middle or the side?
I'm going
left side?
Left side.
Alright. Yes, sir. What do you know? Skate stopped. Super skate stopped. Another back-to-back from me and Boofy. Sheesh!
I think that.
If it's what I'm thinking, I might send something down there. Oh, woo. Alright guys, so it's a few days later now. I don't have much to say, but we do have a package from the boys over at Krypticproscooters. Shout out to Kryptic. So let's get that package open and throw the new parts on the scoot. Alright guys, most importantly, we have a brand new pair of Ethic T-bars. I'm gonna leave them in here just for now, so when I set them on the ground, they don't scratch up. But yeah, brand new pair of Ethic T-bars in chrome. I do have a pair of these already in black, but they are a bit shorter, so wanted to try out the taller version. Also got some Eagle X Addict grips. These look pretty sick. I like the colorway. Straight out of the factory. I like the warning on them too. Warning, scooter riding is gnarly. Kryptic also sent me a big sticker pack with my Root Industries bar adapter. The Ethic bars come with one, but I felt like the last time I ordered Ethic bars, like a year or so ago, I feel like the bar sleeve wasn't in the package, even though it should have been. That's a whole nother story. I did not order that from Kryptic. That was way before I was sponsored by Kryptic. But yeah, Root Industries bar adapter. This is just so you could ride SCS and keep the slit in your bars, so you don't have to cut them down. Keep them the same height and ride SCS, even though you have a slit in your bars, just by popping this in. In the order comments, I put Kryptic Full Life, and they sent it back with a little heart. That might have been Victor. Shout out to the Kryptic boys, man. But yeah, I'm gonna throw these parts on my scooter right now and show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, this is a scooter pro tip right here. When anyone is putting grips on, a lot of people say use hairspray, use water, deodorant, whatever it is. I say don't do any of that. Just put them on like this. Gotta just kind of hit them on, because the water, the deodorant, or like any sort of liquid kind of stays in there for a little bit and you can't ride right away. It's kind of annoying. This is also annoying, don't get me wrong, it takes a few minutes, but if you just kind of keep hitting it and moving it up the bar, it'll get on eventually. And obviously this is like if you don't have an air compressor, because if you do, then just use the air compressor. So if the hitting method isn't working too well, you're just gonna kind of have to pull it on the rest of the way. It might take a little bit of strength, but I believe in you guys, you got this. I just did it. And again, no liquid needed. Alright, we got the bar adapter in the bars, grips on the bars. Now let's throw them on the scoot. The baby slayers are out of commission for now. And here we have the new setup. Oh, I gotta change my description because I keep a scooter check in there with all my parts written down. Gotta change that up. I like these grips. I like the bars. They fit me pretty nicely. It's pretty much exactly what I expected. I've had a shorter version of these bars, so it's nothing too crazy new for me. Let's do a little drop test. Not bad for a street scooter. You guys know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys want to see me try out the new whip, make sure you tune into next video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, if you're looking for any scooter parts at all, shop krypticproscooters.com. Use code Jake10 for 10% off your order. Link to their website is in my description. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, do what you gotta do. Thank you. Catch you in the next one.
You can't go back, that ass back. You can't go back, that ass so.